Bonjour, Bayside staff. So you have some photos for the yearbook and you want to upload them into our shared file because you don't want to email them to Madame Chou because she's no longer responsible for the yearbook. So let's just say I have a bunch of photos on a camera or my phone. So I'm going to plug in my device to the computer, okay? And you should have a little file down here, like something like this, and your camera or your phone should appear right in here. But before we do that, guys, we want to make sure that we are signed in to our school Google account. So I'm going to sign in. I'm going to be using my SD63 email. Yours will look different. Like, just make sure you sign in with that SD63. You're going to sign in like normal here to Madame Chou, see Chou, connect. Please verify that is your SD63 account, okay? So what I want to do is I'm going to start in my Google Drive. Okay, so I'm in my Google Drive, and we're going to go off over to the left to shared drives. Okay, I have a few more shared drives than some of you will, but you're going to go into Bayside All Staff Shared Drive. So once you click that, we're in Bayside All Staff, you're going to go down to the section Yearbook Photos. Woohoo! Now I've created folders for all of each division for this year, and I've created one for Halloween, one for Remembrance Day, one for Recess, one for staff, but please add another folder if you wish. So let's say I'm Madame Chou. I'm going to go into my folder. Now I've dumped a bunch of pictures in here, so let's just actually go back and I'm going to pretend I am Madame Mr. Timmermans. So I'm in Mr. T's class and I want to upload some photos. And here we go, it's nice and empty. And it says here, drop files here or use new button. So you could drop and paste, that can work, but I find it a little complicated. I prefer to go to new. Now, what do I want to upload, a file or a folder? So I'm going to actually upload a file. So I'm going to file. And what you should appear is in down here. You're going to appear on your PC somehow, okay? And usually it will plop up the last device you plugged in. For me, it was my external hard drive. Okay, yours might be your phone or your camera. So I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to find the folder, or it just might be pictures right away. So for me, it looks something like this, like a bunch of pictures. So let's just say I have over 200 pictures. I don't think I want to upload all of them. So I'm going to push Control and click on the actual pictures I like, Control. So I'm pushing Control right now, and I'm able to pick the one. I can even let go of that Control, scroll down, and pick a few more Control options. Okay, that's one option. And then I can say Open, off you go. And there, they'll appear on the right-hand side. I picked 8 items, and they will plug into that box. Okay, the other option I have, and it takes a few seconds, okay, guys? The other option I have is to go New, File Upload. I'm back in that same file. Let's say I was on my desktop. I do have a photo album here, I think, of pictures. No, I don't. Here I have some of Mr. Cook. And let's say I had all of these pictures. I wanted the whole file in. I'm going to go Control, click on one picture, Control Alt. Whoopsies. Control A. I was right. So it's Control A, not Control Alt. So Control A allows me to set all of those pictures in that file. So I can open that up, push open, and they'll all be dumped out right into that folder. Okay? So let's just take a quick step back so we remember what we did. I'm going to cancel these uploads. Okay, guys? So we're going to start off. Pretend I'm incognito. I'm going to start off on my Google page. Okay, I'm making sure that I'm logged into my SD63 account. I'm going to go to Google Drive. I'm going to go to my shared drive first. Bayside All Staff. And then from there, I will find the yearbook folder. And then you can locate your division. Oops, it keeps on getting pop-ups. Locate your division. And then from there, you're going to go New, File Upload, and locate that device on the left-hand side. Okay, you can open up Your other options are Control to select the pictures or Control A to select all. Okay? Last but not least, imagine I wanted to create a new file that it wasn't here. Okay, I'm back in the yearbook photos. All I need to do is right click, new folder, and you can title that. Maybe you want to call that Christmas 2020. Okay, and there you go. You have your new title folder, and voila, is your new folder. It should appear in alphabetical order. Okay, I hope that helps. And it's easy. If you have an actual device, it might be a few more steps. Don't forget, you can always upload your pictures into the Google Drive or your Google Photos and then share them that way. Okay, hope that helped. Merci. Bye.